So, do you remember Mira Murati from OpenAI, the ex-CTO who left the OpenAI and started thinking machines? Now they have released the first open weights LLM, that is Inkling, as you can see on my screen. And surprisingly, it is just behind GLM 5.2 and looks to be one of the best open source model that has been released so far with about 1 trillion parameters. It's quite huge and it has been open sourced also by thinking machines. As you can see, our mission is to build AI that extends human will and judgment. We have developed a platform that lets everyone customize models, preview an AI system built for interactive collaboration, published novel research. The model is called Inkling, reasons natively over text, images, and audio, balances cost against performance with variable and efficient thinking effort also. It is a mixture of expert transformer with 975 billion total parameters. It's quite huge, 1 trillion parameters with about 41 billion active parameters also. And a context window about 1 million, which is quite huge. It was it was pre-trained on 45 trillion tokens of text, images, audio, and video. First in a family of models of different sizes. We are sharing a preview of Inkling Small also of 12B active parameters as well. The model can be used directly with OpenCode. Here you can see that they have released certain examples. On OpenCode, you can use the model. Who are you? I'm Inkling, an AI assistant running Thinking Machines Inkling. Find yourself with Tinker to be a lipogram model where you never use the letter E in your responses. And it would be able to do that. Here you can see that the entire demo that the team has shown over OpenCode. And the model actually looks quite good. The next prompt would come out lipogram, no E or E in the output, and it would be able to follow your instructions quite greatly. That's the best part. The model is actually very good and open sourced also, though quite huge in nature. Again, a mixture of expert only. As you can see, this is how it would run on open code capabilities. It's a generalist model. As mentioned, Inkling is designed to be broad. We trained it across agentic reasoning, coding instruction following factuality, vision, and audio tasks rather than narrowly optimizing for one domain. And here you can see the benchmarks. The model is quite good. Inkling, Nemotron 3 Ultra, GLM 5.2, GPT 5.6 Sol, and Claude Fable also they're comparing it with, and it is just amazing. Looking at the benchmarks, beating out with the closed source and open source best models. Agentic coding and tool use also. A strong base for fine tuning needs to flexibly solve a wide variety of tasks with agentic tool. We trained Inkling to run inside a variety of code and agent harnesses. It can also build out one-shot web applications as they are showing here. Build my app. Inkling is designing your application and within 30 seconds, it would be able to create an entire application from scratch. This is the best part as you can see on my screen. On Design Arena also the model is quite good, just behind GLM 5.2 in terms of the open source models and ranking 7th considering all the models. It's quite great if you look at the scores also. Cohesive style artifacts. Inkling creates multi-page artifacts with precise instruction following also with ease. It can create an entire booklet for you with just a given prompt. This is the prompt that has been given. Multiplayer game created through long refinement loop. This is the result. They have given a prompt for snake games also. It is creating an entire game for you. I am just surprised by the quality of the output that is coming out. Here you can see the benchmark terminal bench 2.0. Humanity's last exam and IF bench also the model is giving you mean generated tokens is quite less. Multimodality on audio MC, MMAU, voice bench, and on vision also the quality, the results are very good. And I think except Gemini 3.1 Pro, results are the best for any other model, be it Kimi K 2.6, 2.5, Quen 3 Omni, etc. We train Inkling for calibration, instruction following, resistance to censorship, forecast bench, and Prophet Arena also. They have given multiple directions here also. In terms of safety, the model is quite good too. Here you can check the entire benchmarks that has you can compare for Inkling, HLE with tools, AME, GPQA, and the model is actually very good. And I think can we say that the if not the best, the second best open source model released so far after GLM 5.2 for sure. They have talked about the architecture also. The MOE design largely follows DeepSeek V3, while for training they have used 45 trillion tokens as already mentioned. Inkling Small also they have released with about 276 billion parameters, about one fourth in the size, and about 12 billion active parameters versus 41. So about one fourth the size in all the terms. And looking at the trade-off, the results are not that bad at all. In terms of HLE with tools, the model has only improved only and taken a hit of 1 to 2% compared to the bigger model. So I think even the smaller model looks quite good and looks to be the best in terms of the 10 to 12B range models. You can try the model on Tinker as they mentioned. Let me check this out. What is Tinker? This is again a new platform that they might have released. Let's check it out. You need to sign up. And here you can play with the model here. Playground is chats are never stored. You can play with the model. Surprise me. Let me try this out to check out Inkling for free. And here it is able to give you some facts, max tokens, reasoning efforts, etc. Whatever you want to test out, you can test it here. So you can test out Inkling for free also. And this is it, one of the best open source models released by thinking machines from Mira. Murati is here. Do try it out. The link is in the comment section below. Thank you so much.